I need a light. It's dark in here. What's in that pan holder?
Some onions, garlic, and peppers. It's gonna be made into chili.
I'm gonna need that light whenever you get ready to pour that in. Okay, that's more.
Who wants to try it, please?
Everybody probably does, but hold on.
It's gonna be hot now.
It's so hot. So hot.
Oh, I got one of these.
Hey, you're doing a very bad job with the light. You're gonna be fired from lighting.
Tastes good.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Okay, it's not as hot
nice
as.
video of that.
Well, you know we can only get so close. It's kind of blown out. Ah. Should have got this grater out. Stir that up. So what did you just pour in there? Like that. Okay, nice.
Huh? Is it gonna get too cold? No, it's on it. It's not gonna go.
Oh, it's the same thing.
Wait till
Yeah, it's not gonna make it any more. Pour in the secret ingredient. Don't let nobody see. Oh, there you go. There you go. Shoo, smell that secret ingredient. Turn that light on right there. They can't see this very well. That's better. Plus my thing keeps clogging up. What you doing?
oh yeah.
Who's that?
No,
How
imagine
is
that
it?
once that's cold.
How is it?
That's on point. I swear I could eat that whole thing.
Sorry,
I could just spoon by
salsa.
spoon just eat that whole thing.
Well, that's a lot. I bet you couldn't. I bet you couldn't eat all
How much
that.
do we want to bet?
Dude, I could bet any amount of
God,
money.
I could eat
just
that.
feel
I
like
could-
you
I
just
swear I could eat
couldn't.
that
See,
whole
you
thing.
actually bet it, not anybody else. You did. So you said you bet.
I need a light here. I can't see. This is chorizo. No, chorizo and shrimp. Stop
Watch
it.
out now.
I'm just getting a touch one. That's it. I just want a few more beans.
Did you get any beans first?
One.
You put your hand in front of your face. That's not very good acting.
What can I say? It's Italiano.
It's not Italian.
I don't know what it is.
It's salsa.
You don't know what
with
salsa
beans.
is?
Turn the camera off.
No, it's
Holy
Hispanic
shit.
food.
No, you don't ever turn that off.
No, you do.
Ah.
That's never happened.
Quit it now.
Never happened.
Nice. Look at that Italian salsa. Okay, try your salsa. It's probably hot. Oh, I didn't have the camera all the way up.
I haven't tried it yet, so let me.
I think cold it really has a.
It'll probably have that, just more.
So hot as a meal. Oh, what's going on?
No, it's kind of like, I mean, obviously it's smoked, but it's kind of,
Is it like so hot?
No.
it's got kind of a barbecue flavor to it with the smoke. And it's got like a,
Yeah.
like it tastes like barbecue salsa. Not, it doesn't taste like barbecue sauce, but
I was ready for barbecue bit here. Oh, sorry, girl. Mmm.
oh, oops, I messed up.
What's wrong with that? Is that good for you, Ben?
Yep.
That's what I said. That's for something different. That's not for nachos.
Oh, what?
Well, it's not. That's
We're gonna
the
have
deal.
leftover.
You can't use Velveeta cheese.
Alright, we're gonna have
and
leftover of this, so we'll do it.
You can't Vel.
Ooh. What's this holding?
This is chorizo sausage and some shrimps. It's all seasoning.
Is it French?
I don't know. Is it? Is it Miss Garlic French lady?
No, that's the French garlic when they cook their Italian food.
This is all
people
French,
do-
all French, all French. You can have more
Is that
French,
enough?
French.
You want more? You just want a lot of more?
You give me what you think, and I will.
Well, I was gonna say you're missing that spot right there.
All right, all right, all right.
Do you need a spoon for this?
I will need it.
What's
Oh,
this
yes.
holding?
ZZ's, the Italian salsa. That is what we have to call it.
Italian
Because I
salsa.
already accidentally called it Italian. So we have to call it that.
You gotta go with it.
This is more like American salsa.
Margo salsa?
Yeah, smoked.
Watch
Got
this.
that American salsa.
That's like smoked corn, black bean, homemade, homegrown tomatoes.
Oh, homegrown tomatoes. That's the most important.
Everything in this salsa is
and
homemade.
homegrown jalapenos and whatever those yellow peppers were, because I don't think they were banana
Everything is
peppers.
homegrown on this plate. From the tortilla chips, homegrown, to the canned corn beans, homegrown.
How do you grow corn, canned corn and beans? How do you grow canned corn and beans?
Okay, so get this. So this little aluminum shaft starts to grow up out the ground, okay? And then it gets these little aluminum
Do you get
rods.
seeds, or is
these
this
aluminum
all-
rods, okay, come off the side, and then these tiny little pipes, okay, hang off the bottom, and these tiny little pipes soon blossom into beautiful aluminum cans of corn. And then over here on the little beans, I don't know how beans grow.
Okay, well, thank you for that anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Here is
Video guy.
the fit.
Did it move on you?
There was the finished freaking plate of food. Jeez. This for your mommy again.
Oh man.
This is for everybody.